Children, today in this video I will discuss with you theme and title of the story Old Man at the Bridge. In my previous video I had discussed with you the summary of the chapter. I had read word by word to make you clear the paraphrase of the story. Today again I will recapitulate the summary and then I will discuss theme and title from the workbook page number 28. I ask everyone to open the page number 28 of your workbook and see about the story. The Old Man at the Bridge is about a conversation between a soldier and an old man who had to leave his hometown during the Spanish Civil War. As I told you, the story is just a conversation between a soldier and an old man during the Spanish Civil War. An old man with spectacles sat exhausted, means tired, by the side of a road near a pontoon bridge that crossed the river. The soldier got engaged in conversation with the old man. During the conversation, he came to know that the old man was worried about his animals that he had left behind. See, children, you are told that the old man was about 76 years old. He had no one in his life, so he was attached with his animals, and during this Spanish war he was asked to leave his hometown and leave his animals also. The old man told the soldier that he had the charge of two goats. He had two goats, a cat, and four pairs of pigeons. He said that a captain had told him to leave the town, the animals, because of the artillery fire. The area could have been attacked by the enemy, so that's why he was asked to leave his animals and go further to the rescue camps. He had no family, but he expressed a concern about what would happen to his animals. He said that cat would be all right because cats could look after themselves, but he did not know what would happen to his other animals. The soldier was concerned about the old man's safety. See here, the soldier wanted that old man should board the vehicles going towards a refugee camp, whereas the old man was concerned about the safety of his animals. So here, whereas the old man was concerned about the safety of his animals, he told the soldier that he was an old man of 76 and had come 12 kilometers and was too tired to walk up the road and catch a ride on a truck to Barcelona. The old man thanked the soldier for his concern for his safety, but he continued to express his concern over the fate of the animals he had left behind. The old man could not get rid of the thought about the safety of his animals. In the end, the soldier felt pity for him and thought there was nothing to do about him. The last line of the chapter is that there was nothing to do about him. The soldier was concerned about the safety of the old man, whereas the old man was concerned about the safety of his birds. And these two could not be saved from the fate, their death actually, which was passing towards them. So here there was nothing to do about him. Again, in fact, the story deals with a theme of depression and impending death. Okay, depression, but here both the soldier and the old man was depressed due to one reason or the other. Okay, the soldier was depressed because he knew that they could not be saved. Okay, and the old man was depressed because he was missing his animals and impending death. They would be dead very soon. Now, but come here, theme of the chapter. The story Old Man at the Bridge deals with the theme of resignation, depression, and impending death. You have to underline these words in the answer also. The old man who engages himself in conversation with the soldier is a fatalistic hero of the story who is resigned to his fate as a casualty of war. He knew that the soldier was given a duty to look after the people and help them to go to the rescue camps. He knew that any time the enemy planes would finish them. So when a soldier who is concerned about the safety of the old man tells him to walk up the road and catch a ride on the truck to Barcelona. He tells him that he is an old man of 76 and he's too tired to go further. So he resigns himself to his fate. Okay, he knew that he could not go further in that old age. So he had accepted the death. So here he resigns himself to his fate. Then the soldier reflects that he is sure to be killed once the fascist advance to the bridge. But here enemy advance to the bridge across the Ebro, the name of the river. His life is prolonged by the fact that the day is overcast and the fascists cannot launch their planes. As the day was cloudy, the fascist enemy could not launch their planes. They could live for one more day. His mind is eased by the fact that the cats can look after themselves. But aside from that, the soldier says that nothing can done for him and his death seems certain. The soldier seems more affected by the inevitability of the man's probable fate than by the old man. On the other hand, the old man is worried about the fate of his animals. He can't get rid of the thought of safety of his animals. This gives him depression. Okay, I told you but the both were depressed because old man was depressed because his animals were not with him. The soldier was depressed because he knew that the enemy could kill them at any time. When the soldier tells him it is the best not to think about his animals, it is he is unable to stop thinking about them. This leads him to depression. Again, at the close of the story, the narrator bemoans the old man, but a means here cries or like feels sad. The old man impending death. He asks him to walk and catch a ride on the truck to Barcelona, but the old man expresses his inability to walk due to fatigue. The soldier begins to feel pity for him and says there was nothing to do about him. At the end, beta, he felt that the old man would not listen to him and he could not help him saving his life. Okay. Now, beta, come to page number 32. And let me discuss the title of the story. The title of the story, Old Man at the Bridge, is very appropriate because the story revolves around the old man who has left his hometown during the Spanish Civil War and has arrived at the bridge for safety. It is at the bridge that the narrator engages the old man in conversation. The old man expresses his concern about the safety of his animals that he has left behind. He thinks that the cat will be all right, but he is worried about the safety of other animals. The narrator is worried about the safety of the old man, whereas the old man is worried about the safety of his animals. The narrator asks the old man to get a ride on the truck and go away, but he refuses to do so. He remains at the bridge. Thus, the story has a suitable title. Okay, this story better revolves around the old man at the bridge. This man, the old man, get engaged with a soldier. He talks with him. The soldier was really trying to help him out, but the old man was adamant and was obsessed with the thought of the safety of his animals. Are you clear? Children, you have to go by each and every word given in the workbook to frame good answers.